We're live again, folks. I was live for just a few seconds earlier. A fella came over to ask me about doing his mom's car. One of my neighbors did, so I had to cut that one off. Starting over again. Well, I tell you what a difference a day makes, huh, folks? Oh, nice sunny day here in Sharpsburg, Georgia, at Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Correction here in Sharpsburg, Georgia. This is Mike. Go figure, go figure. Oh boy, it's going to be a kind of a short video here. Just kind of wanted to catch you guys up a little bit. The truck, the titanium coating is on it, and it is almost cured, so I can put the top coat on over that. Man, that's an insane amount of gloss and shine. Insane. That hood was in pretty bad shape. Just a quick look. We'll come back and look at it again when I get 100% through with it. Just wanted to give y'all a quick glance. The titanium coating is on the glass, the one that's made specifically for glass. And I'll be getting back on the trim here probably in a little while. My new supply of the stuff I've been trying out. Here it is, that Cerakote trim coat. I think I ordered this off of Amazon, actually. I got 2 bags full of it. See? 1, 2. Oh boy, so I can get back on these fender flares, guys. Oh man. I'll tell you what, that titanium coating is awesome on the paint and the glass. Holy cow, I am so impressed with that stuff. It's ridiculous. And that's going to last him 6 to 9 years if he takes care of it. But what I'm doing now is I am working on his bug shield, which I had removed so I could clean up under there and buff up under there and all that kind of stuff. And so I was just getting started on this a few minutes ago. Got me a nice soft polishing rag that Flitz was kind enough to send me. And there's my Flitz polishing ball. That's a bottle of the Optimum no rinse solution, which I sprayed on here and used it to clean that off with. Good stuff, good stuff. And I just started polishing, and I'll show you here. You can see where I've polished this end of the bug shield here. And I think you can plainly see where I've stopped right there. This is before, this is after, and it's simple, folks, very simple. I'm going to try to do just a little bit of it to show you guys if I can find a good spot to set this camera down. Please excuse me, since I don't have a cameraman. Woo. I think maybe y'all can see what I'm doing there. Maybe. But you know, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit that like and subscribe button for me, and thumbs up and thumbs down and all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to ask me. Put them in the comment section down there. You know, about the procedures of the product, or the equipment, anything. I'll help you any way I can. All right, folks. I hope y'all can see this. This is a relatively simple process. I just put a couple dots of this Flitz polish that they send with the ball. To buy them separately. And it's very simple. Just start off spinning slow, kind of spread the polish around a little bit so you don't swing it everywhere. And then just punch it up. It won't burn it. It's on the plastic or anything. Just a quick demonstration there. These Flitz balls are about, I don't know, 30, 35 bucks, something like that. They last a long time, but you don't have to worry about it burning that plastic. Can you do that by hand? Yeah, you could, but it won't take me just a few minutes using my drill and my Flitz polishing ball. I'll be done before you know it. And what I'm going to do also is flip it over and do the inside of it as well. I may have to go get, I have a smaller version of that same one. I may have to get it out to fit inside of there. But, you know, if you polish the outside of it, and that looks great, if it's still all scratched on the inside, then those scratches would show through, in my opinion, and make it look like you didn't do as good a job as you really did. But there we go, folks. You can, I think you can still kind of see where I've polished and where I haven't. It won't take me long at all. Just wanted to drop in on you guys, give you just a quick update on what's going on here at Mike's Magic. But I'll be getting back on the trim on the truck here in a little while since my stuff came in. That's what the titanium coating looks like. Doesn't even have a top coat protector on it yet. I'm waiting on it to fully cure before I do that. Oh, I know some of you are fans of the slide test. Here we go. I'm using a plastic bottle. I've cleaned the bottom of it off so it won't scratch. Whoop, there you go. It don't really mean much, folks. It just means the paint's flat. That's all it means. That's all it means. Don't be impressed by those commercials that do that. It's pretty meaningless. Anyway, thank y'all for dropping by. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you're on YouTube so you'll catch probably the last and final video when I'm finished with this Tacoma. And then we'll start on this man's Volkswagen next. Bye-bye.